So, stupid me, I accidentally deleted part of the footage that I was supposed to edit today. I was looking for it on the computer. It's not here. I'm like, oh no. I had to clean out my SD card so I could make more footage. And I didn't double check, and I just deleted it all. So the Mudslingers Ride Part 3 is not coming. Because it's gone, because I deleted it, because I'm stupid. I don't have that, but I have something else for you. So it's an unboxing. So enjoy. Just got my package. Let's do an unboxing here. Bolts. Looks like some billet stuff. Paper. Oh my god. Oh. Holy man, a lot of paper. Ugh. More paper. More paper. Oh, feels so nice. Stainless steel. Pretty much figure out what this is. Okay, those have got to be the cans, but I'm gonna save those once I get all this other stuff out. More paper. Oh my god, it's packed well. Oh, this is so nice. Them welds. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's get what you would call the piece de resistance. Oh. Oh. Holy man, look at these. That looks killer. Billet aluminum tips. We have 2 of them. Oh, yes. See, it was between this company, which is Empire Industries, and RJWC. Now, I know a lot of people swear by RJWCs, and for sure, yeah, they make a really fantastic exhaust too. But a little bit of research, and these guys, they do their homework, and they make bikes sound epic, and just the build quality is awesome. Just going by the welds, full stainless steel, not cheap yellow. Let's check these clamps out too. These are supposed to be full billet aluminum as well. Oh yeah, like that is nice. Full dual stainless steel exhaust for the Grizzly. And these cans are just awesome looking. Absolutely amazing. Can't wait to get it on. You got the DynoJet auto tune. So that's pretty much, this hooks up into the main module, and then there's a O2 sensor. And what the auto tune does is kind of basically it auto tunes as you ride. So if I set it on the computer that I want my air fuel ratio to be at 12.8 or 12.9, it will tune it to stay in that range. Yeah, here's the module. So this will replace my little piggyback thing that I got now, and this will be much better. So yeah, should pick up a couple horsepower and probably save a little bit of gas, so I'm not running rich. Or the big thing is preventing myself from going really lean and blowing up my big bore kit. And all the hardware it's all stainless steel too. It's really good, really good. So I bought some ceramic coat to coat these pipes, and I got it in clear, so I'll still be able to see a nice stainless. Because why would I buy stainless and then just cover it up with black paint? I want to be able to see it. And yeah, it's gonna look killer, just killer. And I hope it sounds really good too, because I mean my HMF sounds pretty good, but this should be. Yeah. Anyways, that's what I bought, and then we'll go to the garage and set up and do some ceramic coating.